Are you suffering from some kind of dental care problem? Do you know someone that is? Whatever the case may be, this article will provide you with solid advice. Don't let any kind of a dental problem make life harder for you or a loved one and follow along. Try to go to your dentist every 6 months. By going to the dentist regularly, you may be able to prevent the most serious problems from happening with your teeth. Frequent visits are a great way to ensure that you aren't having plaque buildup, tooth decay, and may be able to help prevent gum disease. Take care when choosing a toothbrush. You will want to avoid a harder bristled brush to avoid gum irritation from harder brushing. Consider using a toothbrush that also incorporates a tongue cleaner. This can be of great use when you have had to drink beverages that stain easily. If you have had your teeth whitened, you'll want to avoid any foods that may stain your teeth. In most cases, a person will have their teeth whitened and then find that they do not stay that way for long. This is caused by eating and drinking foods or liquids that stain, such as red wine and colored food. Visit your dentist at least twice a year. Do it more if your situation calls for it. You can only prevent dental problems by caring for your teeth regularly. Also, when you go frequently, you will start to become more comfortable when you visit. This rapport will be important if you ever require major dental work done. Brush your teeth both in the morning and in the evening. Take your time. Many people simply go through the motions quickly and don't do an efficient job. Try timing yourself to make sure that you get your teeth very clean. If you have to, sing the ABC song in your head, and don't stop brushing until the song is over. You must get rid of your toothbrush about every 2 to 3 months. Eventually, the bristles on a toothbrush grow weak from overusage. This prevents the toothbrush from actually cleaning your teeth and can cause damage to your gums. Also, if you're sick, get a new toothbrush once you are better. Although it may take a little bit of time every day, make sure that you brush and floss. This little bit of time you invest in your smile will pay off. There is no better preventative maintenance for your mouth than to brush and floss daily. It's easy, inexpensive, and you need to do it for a beautiful smile. If you are only going to brush twice a day, do it when you are first getting up and when you finally go to bed. Early morning brushing gets rid of morning breath and deals with anything that settled in during your sleep. Brushing at bedtime helps your plaque fighting saliva out since it is going to dry up overnight. It is significant to teach kids the importance of good dental care as early as possible. Help them to understand why brushing is important and how it keeps their teeth clean. Establishing good early habits will set the foundation for your child to take care of their teeth as they get older. Dealing with dental care issues shouldn't be a giant problem if you follow the things you learned here. Always make sure you take care of your teeth and mouth with the advice you just went over. You'll be less afraid to show off your teeth, and you'll avoid other complications.